Ladies and gentlemen, there comes a moment in life when you stand at a crossroads. A moment when you must decide whether to stay comfortable and stagnant or to risk everything in pursuit of the extraordinary. For me, that moment came the day I decided to buy a supercar. Some might say it was just an indulgence, an unnecessary expense, but to me, it was a declaration, a statement to the world and, more importantly, to myself. It wasn't about the car itself, it was about proving that I had control over my destiny, that I could turn my dreams into tangible reality. That supercar became a symbol of everything I had fought for, every sacrifice I had made, and every moment of doubt I had overcome. I didn't grow up wealthy. I wasn't born into privilege. My journey to success was paved with relentless effort, sleepless nights, and an unshakable belief that I was meant for something greater. I spent years grinding, working jobs that drained me, pursuing ventures that failed, and facing rejection after rejection. But through it all, I held on to a vision of a life where I wasn't just surviving, I was thriving. And so, I pushed harder than ever before. I invested in myself, expanded my knowledge, took risks others were too afraid to take. I faced setbacks that would have broken most people, but I refused to break. Because I knew that success doesn't come to those who wait, it comes to those who chase it down and refuse to let go. When I finally walked into that showroom, it wasn't just about purchasing a car, it was about stepping into the life I had envisioned for myself for years. The moment my hands touched the wheel, I felt the weight of every struggle, every triumph, every lesson crystallizing into a single realization: I had made it. Not because of the car, but because of the person I had become to earn it. Owning a supercar is more than just having a powerful machine at your disposal. It's about the mindset it represents. When you drive something that commands attention, that exudes excellence, you begin to embody those qualities yourself. The moment I sat in that seat and pressed the ignition, the roar of the engine wasn't just the sound of horsepower, it was the sound of victory, of perseverance rewarded, of limits shattered. And something incredible happened. My success didn't stop there. The confidence I gained, the connections I made, the way I carried myself, all of it multiplied. The car became a beacon, attracting like-minded individuals, opportunities, and ventures I had never imagined possible. It wasn't about showing off, it was about showing up as the best version of myself, every single day. But let me be clear, this isn't about cars. This is about whatever your version of a supercar is. Maybe it's building a business empire. Maybe it's traveling the world. Maybe it's creating art that changes lives. Whatever it is, don't just dream about it. Decide. Commit. Act. And don't stop until it's yours, because the truth is, you don't need permission to be successful. You don't need approval to chase what sets your soul on fire. The only thing standing between you and your dream is the courage to pursue it relentlessly, unapologetically, and with every ounce of determination you have. So I ask you, what are you waiting for? What's the excuse that's keeping you from your next level? What's the fear that's holding you back? Because I promise you this, the day you decide to abandon those doubts and go all in on your vision will be the day everything changes. I didn't just buy a car. I bought into a mindset of boundless ambition, of limitless possibility, of knowing, deep in my core, that I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. And so are you.